Hey, I am Doug from Doug and Nikki here in the outdoor testing studio where you may have seen I test a lot of crazy things, bicycles, RC cars, RC boats and stuff. And the only way my GoPros survive is using these great housings. And believe it or not, I actually broke a housing. So I had to buy a new one. Now I will tell you, this fits on the 9, 10, and 11. So I've had 3 versions of GoPros before I finally broke it enough that I broke down. Double broke down and bought myself a new one. So let me show it to you, talk to you about some of the advantages of it. The most clear advantage, which I've said about 3 times already, it really does a phenomenal job of protecting your camera. I really worked very hard to break my GoPro cameras and it took me a very long time. So it comes with hardware for mounting it. This is the back. Obviously this is not the waterproof back. This is so if you want to use it, let's say I'm taking it out on a dirt bike and I want it physically protected from like rocks and stuff like that, but I still wanted clear audio, you would use that back. Here is the full case, which you would obviously use in cases where you needed it extra waterproof, like if you're scuba or something like that. Snorkeling, you could do it with the camera natively, but if you're going deep under pressure or you need that durability, this is amazing. Don't be fooled by the junky ones here on Amazon. There is a huge difference in quality between the really nice ones from GoPro and the junky ones you see here on Amazon. This is definitely worth the extra dollars. I'm going to give it my highest score of a 5 out of 5 for surviving like 4 years of durability test with me. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.